By request, we made more of our custom clear panels for the Phanteks Enthoo Pro and Enthoo LUXE. These are CNC machined in our workshop from 100% cast acrylic, so you have a nice flush finish. The only thing that locks it in place is this custom aceto washer that we also make in our shop. And you just take it right here with the included black thumb screw. And lock it in place. We don't always make these. We usually make a bunch, let them sell out, just because it is a real custom thing. Really can't afford to sit on inventory of them. So if you've been thinking about getting one, now's the time. I'll post a link to our store. Just go to the Phanteks category to find these. If you're overseas, go to the international order link at the top of the page. We ship all over the world. It's a quality product. Just find anybody that's bought one already. They love them.